to have a guaranteed power supply in Kenya, solar is actually the way to go. So today, when I came for this particular training, because I've been in this field for quite some time, I wanted to learn about several aspects of the solar system that is actually working. One, I came to learn about high-frequency inverters and low-frequency inverters. I want to get more in-depth on that. So when I go out there and I'm informing my clients, they are able to choose the appropriate package that can actually work for them and their house and the actual power supply that they need to get in their particular homes.
The basic thing when it comes to installation, the solar needs to understand in terms of troubleshooting.
Today we want to introduce to you one of the biggest battery manufacturers that is also our partner, that is the Dyness. So we'll be conducting a training today on the high voltage batteries.
And I see so many people are eager to learn. And it's a very good opportunity for them to learn about new technology.
We are here at the PowerAll with the Dyness team. We are happy that they have taught us about battery maintenance and stock series and different types of connections.
We are able to even illustrate to the clients on how to do the setup in terms of battery configuration on the Solis inverter. Because basically, when you're commissioning a Solis inverter, what basically needs to be done is actually one, you can ensure that you have the batteries connected, you have the grid power connected, and of course, the most important thing, you also need to have the data logger.
There was an issue of communication failure, so we changed the ports and everything, the CAN ports and the RSJ ports. That we used another cable and everything was well.
We were having an issue of battery communication failure, so we did it basically just to ensure that we could gauge how the clients were able to understand the product. So basically, the trainees were very welcoming, because as part of what we were expecting to come from the training, they were able to actually understand how to do configuration and every other thing that you need to set up when you're doing commissioning of solar inverters.
We have one of the largest energy storage distributors in Africa, and I'm very pleased to be part of the Dyness team.
I'm very happy for today's experience, especially about the challenge. Everybody wanted to participate. Everybody was psyched up about this.
So for me, today was a very productive day.
I want people to know about the green energy.
People showed up and showed out. We had very fun interactive session. We had lucky draws. We were gifting out some items as well during the sessions. And also we had live demos where people were able to solve a few problems and also get hands-on training when it comes to issues at site. We are very invested in continuous education. As PowerAll, we always promise to deliver good quality products and continuous education and the trainings that we do every quarter.
With the right partner as a PowerAll, I think we will light up Kenya in a good way and make it more green, more beautiful.